bees, bees. In the middle of a bee swarm. Oh my word. Oh my gosh. This is a really big swarm. Flipping egg. Where are they gonna all huddle to? This is right outside my back door, right outside my bedroom window. I thought I could hear buzzing. Understatement. Oh my word. So this little one here is probably snoozing off her little fit of hysterics she had. She came in with pooey paw, her back paw. It was very stinky, and obviously she'd been washing it and then herself, and so she was stinky all over. So I had to get a hot cloth to try and clean her, and she was okay with a little rub down. That was fine, that was absolutely fine. But when it came to her feet, she went absolutely ballistic. Wouldn't let me do it. And my old cat Minky, she used to love that. She used to spread her toes so I could get right in there with a towel. She used to love it. But this one, no way. She absolutely would not let me clean her feet. So we had a little bit of a falling out. But anyway, she's been snozzed on my lap for hours now. I have never been able to grow veg in this garden for a variety of reasons. Number one, because it's too shady because of the huge sycamore tree, and two, the pigeons just scoff everything literally overnight, and three, slugs and snails. Absolutely love this garden. So I got offered a allotment. Well, I'm thinking of getting an allotment in the village, but I have black fingers of death really when it comes to gardening. Mostly useful things. The fruit trees are doing fine. Oh, that peony, by the way, that's from Dad's garden. Rescued that when I had to clear the house. So foxgloves, they've done all right this year. Anyway, this is my protection against the birds. So I've planted. I'm getting distracted. That's me red currants. See, the red currants and the raspberries and the black currants here, you can just see now, have always done really well. In fact, they've just taken over the garden completely. But when it comes to veg, I just can't do it. So anyway, so this allotment, I thought I'd better see if I can actually grow some things first before I get an allotment. This is my test. So I've gone mental wrapping things up, hopefully protecting them from the birds, and we'll see. I haven't managed to protect them from the slugs. I've just put some gravel down, but oh, cherry tree. I saved up from Yo Valley Yogurt. We're doing this offer years and years ago. It's been about 10-15 years ago, and I saved up all my labels, and I got sent the cherry tree, but every year it gets black fly right on the end of it. But oh, there she is, little madam.
You're watching the birdies.
Notice the lawn, what was once a lawn, but now is just a mess of dried couch grass, straw, dandelions. Anyway, I've been digging it up. I'm finally getting around to digging it all up, all the weeds. And I'm going to put some grass seeds down and get a new lawn. Normally it's absolute dandelion. It's just like completely yellow.
Flipping slugs. Snails. Look at that. Decimated. Little pests. Look at my goose cogs. Completely decimated. Found the culprit. Pesky caterpillars.
So this was during the storm Ewan, or however you pronounce it. It blew my neighbour's garage roof off, them huge big metal panels, and it blew them off into the other side of my garden, so I had to drag them right round from the other side of the garden.
Watching the birdies. Don't kill any. Watch, but don't touch. No, leave it. Starving little bee. I've got some sugar water there, but it's totally not interested in water. It's so weak. Give it some nectar from these flowers. Trouble is, I don't have many flowers in this garden because it's too dark. They just don't grow, all the slugs eat them. Oh, poor little bee. Go on, get stuck in. Little chicken. So I left him for a few hours, and he'd gone on a wander down the bottom of the garden and back again, so it's a good 20 foot he's walked. Anyway, he came back to the very, very wilted flowers, so I picked him some more, and out of this light bulb box I just stuffed it with some vine leaves, and that's got a little bit of honey on there, and I hope he or she goes in there tonight to protect her, because she hasn't got a house, she hasn't got a hive, and she hasn't got a swarm. Anyway, still alive, still can't fly.
So anyway, I was telling you about the garage roof too. So it completely knackered the other half of my shed. shed roof is now completely caved in, and so I don't have a shed roof. Oh, but oh my god, the noise! The actual clattering, the noise it made during the storm. I mean, you can imagine there was, I think it was about 3 or 4 of the panels ended up in my garden. So we've now moved them, well, we've put them back up on the roof, so kind of tidied up that area a little bit now. But yeah, but my the grass is growing on my new lawn. You could just see a little bit of it with the when the cat was lounging around, little shoots of it coming up. I also sprinkled some seeds on there, some wildflower seeds I think they were, but I can't remember what they were, what they are, so I'll have to wait and see. It was only like a week ago and I can't remember what it was. Some really, really old seed packets. I didn't even think that they would sprout up, but yeah, looks like something's coming up. Anyway, I hope it's not more weeds coming up. But the garden smells lovely at the moment. Got the roses and that sort of orange blossomy white thing, the thing that I was feeding the bee with. Oh god, that smells like bubblegum. It's so gorgeous. But yeah, and that was my rose arch that I built from old prunings that you can see. So hopefully we'll get the roses growing over that. And yeah, my veg still getting eaten despite the protection. What's the matter? It's dinner time for this fluff ball, so better go and give her some chunkies. Otherwise she'll bring yet more mice in. She's already killed one today. There is a shrew currently running around the bedroom, which I've found, but it woke me up this morning and I could see it scarpering about with her looking really, really excited, chasing after it. But she's decided it's great fun to go out in the middle of the night, catch shrews, bring them back into the bedroom and let them go. And so far she's done that every single night for the past week. She's a little serial killer. Even though she's so good at killing, she is still a little bit dim. So here she is, the complicated task of finding catnip in a tub, and she can't figure it out because she's a sandwich short. Go on, go girl, you do it. Get some of that catnip out there. Go on, you can do it. So yeah, she gets it out, just stands on it, hopeless. And then she ends up just putting it all over the floor and then just sitting there staring at the tub. What a crackpot. Anyway, that's all for me for this vlog number 2. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks and goodbye.